A few days ago I received an email from Rayner Teo at tradingwithrayner.com about his UST course. Since I'm keen on learning how other traders trade, and I also want to expand my trading strategies portfolio, I don't mind paying for courses as I've enrolled in courses that cost thousands of dollars before. For me it makes sense to pay for good content if it really works. I can make up for the investment easily if I trade profitably, right? So I check out what he has to offer by following his link to see the preview of his course. It was a brief video showing the table of contents for his course. From what I saw in the video, they are mostly basic trading concepts. The only part that I'm interested in is trading strategy and its performance. Nothing was found, except a 2-second screenshot with poor recording quality which you even can't read the details of its performance. And that's all. I can't believe this is a systematic trading course with only 2 seconds of the most important content in your preview that isn't even clear. So this is a warning to me. Because I have concerns about what I saw from his first email, I didn't proceed with his course. 2 days later, he sent out another email to share one of his strategies in his course, which is a huge mistake from my point of view, because this has revealed that he is not a legit trader by himself. Here are the rules of his strategy, copy exactly from the email he sent to me. Go long when the price closes the highest over the last 200 days. 6 ATR trailing stop loss. Go short when the price closes the lowest over the last 200 days. 6 ATR trailing stop loss. Risk 1% per trade. He suggested it can be traded on the commodities and bonds market, so in my example, I use the US 10-year bond. Since he hasn't mentioned which time frame to trade this strategy, I was assuming the daily chart because the signals are generated based on 200 days highs and lows. I go on to backtest of the strategy to see its past performance. And guess what? No closed trades. The reason is that the strategy he shared is flawed. Setting a 6 ATR trailing stop loss will never be hit unless a hurricane-level black swan type of crisis occurs on that asset. I set the testing period between 2008 to 2020 and only one trade was made during the entire period, since we usually don't open more than one position on the same asset. It simply means once we entered, we never get another signal to exit the trade. On my screen, I plotted the trailing 6 ATR stop loss for the convenience to visualize that the price can never touch the stop losses. I watched Rayner Teo tutorials before and thought they are good for beginners who just started learning to trade. However, trading live profitably is very different from just learning the fundamentals. My conclusion is that, if you trade with the method provided, you're most likely to lose money. If you would like to find out how to become a profitable trader by trading systematically and creating your own trading strategies, subscribe to my channel. I'll guide you step by step to become a systematic trader.